Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter add and subtract fractions. The lessons we came to cover today are add three or more fractions with unlike denominators, estimate sums and differences of mixed numbers, add mixed numbers with unlike denominators, complete addition and subtraction sentences with mixed numbers. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 5 math. The chapter we are on right now is add and subtract fractions. Let's just start with the lesson that is add three or more fractions with unlike denominators. One by 2 add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 5 over 12. So you can see here the denominators are 2, 2 and 12. They are unlike denominators. So before adding, you have to make their denominators same, right? You always make the smaller denominator equal to greater one. So you have to make 2 equals 12. So 2 times what number is 12? So you 2 times 6 is 12. So you need to multiply the fractions by 6 and then you have to add them. Like for first one, you have to multiply it by the 6 that is 6 by 12. For the second one, you have to multiply by the 6 that is 6 by 12. You have to now they have the like denominators, you can simply add them that is 17 over 12. So the numerator is greater than denominator, you can simply divide, right? Let's just start with the test questions. 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So you always make the smaller denominator equal to greater one. So the smaller one here is 3. So 3 times 2 makes 6. So you have to multiply them by 2. You have to do 2 by 2 divided by 3 times 2 plus 2 times 2 divided by 2 times 3, right? So that is 1 over 6 plus 4 over 6 plus 4 over 6, right? They have now like denominators. You can simply add their numerators, so that are 9 over 6, right? The correct option is 9 over 6, or you can simply divide, that is 1 whole 1 over 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? You guys are here to learn, right? So please focus on the learning. Otherwise, I'm going to block you all. You guys are no chit chat allowed. Okay, add 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Let's just multiply these fractions by 3. That is 1 over 9. 1 times 3 divided by 3 times 3. 1 times 3 divided by 3 times 3. That is 1 by 9 plus 3 by 9 plus 3 by 9. So simply add their numerators. That is 7 over 9. The correct option is option number 1. That is. That is 7 over 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 2 by 9 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 9. So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? That is 2 by 9. So 3 times 3 makes 9. Let's multiply this fraction by 3. So that is 2 over 9 plus 6 over 9 plus 2 over 9. So let's just add their numerators. That makes 10 over 9. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 1 whole 1 over 9. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is the next lesson is that is estimate sums and differences of mixed numbers. Let's just start with the lesson. Estimate the difference around each number to the nearest whole number and then subtract. So you have to estimate them and then you have to subtract. So that is 17 whole 7 over 8 minus 3 whole 7 over 8. Look at their fractional part. Their fractional part is 7 over 8. That means that is greater than half. So if the fractional part is greater than half, you have to estimate to up, right? That means 18 it is. Same way 3 over 7 over 8, 7 over 8 is greater than half, so you have to round it off to 4. So 18 take away 4 is 14. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we estimate them. You guys are here to learn. Focus on the learning. Otherwise, I'm going to block you all. Okay, estimate 5 whole 5 over 7 plus 3 whole 2 over 7. So you have 5 whole 5 over 7. It would be rounded off to 6, right? Then you have 3 whole, because 5 by 7 is more than half, right? 5 over 7. So you have 5 portion colored, so that means most of the portion is colored, so it would be rounded off to 6. Then 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is less than half, so it would be rounded on the same whole number, right? So that is 6, take away 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9. So that means the correct option is 9. The correct option is option number 2, 9 it is. Estimate the difference, round each number to the nearest whole number, then subtract 10 whole 9 over 10 minus 4 whole 9 over 10. So which is the correct option? Ten whole 9 over 10, right? Most of the portion is colored, so 10 is rounded off to 11. Then 4 whole 9 over 10. 4 whole 9 over 10 is also rounded off to 5. So 11 take away 5 is Option number 2 is the correct option, right? 6 it is. Okay, the next one is 12 whole 1 by 4 minus 5 whole 3 by 4. So, which is the correct option? 12 whole 1 by 4 take away 5 whole 3 by 4, right? So 12 whole 1 by 4 is rounded off to 12. And because 1 by 4 is less than half, that's why it is rounded off to 12. And then you have 5 whole 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is more than half, so it would be rounded off to 6. So 12 take away 6 is. Very good. 6 it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 6. Okay, the next one is 1 whole 1 by 4 plus 2 whole 1 by 4. So which is the correct option? Very good. That is option number 2. 3 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is add mixed numbers with unlike denominators. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, add 6 whole 8 1 by 6 plus 7 whole 1 by 2, right? You have to, they are the mixed fractions. First, just confirm you have 8 whole 1 by 6 plus 7 whole 3 by 6. They have fractions. Simply add the whole numbers. 3 plus 1 is 15, and then add the fractions, that is 15 whole 4 over 6. So you need to add whole number to whole number and fraction to fraction, right? Let's just start with the test questions. 8 whole 7 over 12 plus 9 whole 1 over 3. The first thing you have to do is make the denominator same, right? Just multiply the fractional part by 4 because 3 times 4 is 12. 8 whole 7 over 12 plus 9, that is 1 times 4 divided by 3 times 4. So that is 8 whole 7 over 12 plus 9 whole 4 over 12, right? Now you can add their whole number to whole number. 8 plus 9 is 17, and 7 plus 4 is 11 over 12. That is 17 whole 11 over 12. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 17 whole 11 over 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. When you are making their denominator same, you just have to multiply the fractional part with the number, not the whole part, right? Okay, the next one is 4 whole 1 by 12 plus 1 whole 1 over 2. So which is the correct option? That is 4 whole 1 over 12 plus 1 whole 1 times 4, sorry, 1 times 3 and 2 times 1 by 6 is 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 6. That is 4 whole 1 over 12 plus 1 whole 6 over 12. Now you can add the whole numbers, that is 5 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 6 plus 1 is 7. That is 5 whole 7 over 12. So the correct option is option number 1. That is 5 whole 7 over 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, 9 whole 3 over 10 plus 8 whole 1 over 2. So you can just solve the question and write down the answer in the chat box. The correct option is 17 whole 4 over 5. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 17 whole 4 over 5. Okay, the next one is 8 whole 1 over 6 plus 7 whole 1 over 2. So the first thing you have to do is you need to make their denominator same. So 2 times 3 is 6, multiply the fraction by 3. That is 8 whole 1 over 6 plus 7 whole 1 times 3 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. Add the whole numbers. 8 plus 7 is 15. 3 plus 1 makes 4 and 6. Divide them by the common fraction. So 5 whole 2 over 3. The correct option is option number 1. Option number 2, that is 15 whole 2 over 3, not 5, sorry. So the correct option is option number 2 is the correct option, that is 15 whole 2 over 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is add 4 whole 1 over 4 plus 1 whole 1 over 8. So make the smaller denominator equal to greater one, multiply it by the 2, 1 times 2 and 4 times 2 plus 1 whole 1 over 8. So that is 4 whole 2 over 8. You can now add 4 plus 1 is 5 whole 3 over 8. The correct option is option number 1, that is 5 whole 3 over 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is mm, subtract mixed numbers with unlike denominators. So subtracting is exactly the same like we did adding, right? You have to follow the same steps. Let's just start with the test question, but at the end you have to subtract, not adding, right? Okay, first thing is you need to make the denominator same. So 2 times 3 is 6, so multiply the fraction by 3. 12, 1 times 3, 2 times 3, right? Minus 11 whole 1 over 6. That is 12 whole 3 over 12. So subtract the whole numbers. 12 minus 11 is 1. And then subtract the fractional part. 1 whole 3 minus 1 is 2 over 6. Divide them by the common factor 2. So that is 1 whole 1 over 3. The correct option is option number 1. That is 1 whole 1 over 3 is the correct option. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, 15 whole 1 over 2 minus 8 whole 1 over 8. First thing is you need to make the denominator same. So multiply this fraction by 4. 1 times 4, 2 times 4 minus 8 whole 1 over 8. That is 15 whole 4 over 8 minus 8 whole 1 over 8. 15 minus 8 is 7 whole 3 over 8. The correct option is option number 1, that is 7 whole 3 over 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. 15 whole 1 by 3 minus 6 whole 2 by 9. That is 9 whole 2 over 9. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? No one is answering the questions. Oh, that is 9 whole 1 over 9. Sorry, not 2 over 9. Okay, 7 whole 1 by 2 minus 3 whole 1 over 10. So, which is the correct option? Seven whole 1 over 2 take away 3 whole 1 over 10. So, which is the correct option? That is 4 whole 2 over 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 5 math. Chapter we are working on is add and subtract fractions. The lessons we have covered today are add three or more fractions with unlike denominators, estimate sums and differences of mixed numbers, add mixed numbers with unlike denominators, and complete addition and subtraction sentences with mixed numbers. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask questions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.